What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. My name is Hunter. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. Let's get straight to it. To respect your guys' time, we're going to be talking about a very underground project called Ribbon Finance. I promise you have not seen anything like this or come across any other project even close to this. This is very early as usual, and let's get into it. So looking at the homepage, sustainable alpha for everyone. Earn yield on your crypto assets with DeFi's first structured products protocol. Absolutely incredible. Stock guys are becoming crypto guys or crypto gals. So here we are, some of their different products, right? So basically what they mainly do is either run puts or automated cover call strategies on some big name crypto assets. So here we are with one of their first products, for example, TAVC, which is their covered call strategy with a projected yield of around almost 14% and a max capacity per vault of 15.5 thousand AVE with a current deposit value of 9,559 AVE. So what this basically protocol does is it generates yield by running an automated AVE covered call strategy, which is very, very, very unique. Looking at some other products, we can see they have an AVAX covered call, which in my opinion, this is my favorite with that nice 51.55% projected APY. This is very early, so a lot of this has not been battle tested. They have been running these calls throughout 2020 and 2021, obviously not, on their backend systems, and that's where they're coming up with these projected yields. So just something to keep in mind, but something to definitely check out. With a current deposit of 169,000 AVAX and a max capacity vault value of 500,000 AVAX. So what they do is when demand increases, they will start increasing these vaults more, and they have been increasing these vaults because I will show you guys some insane investors behind the project, a lot of upside value, the TVL, how much this protocol is generating, and their Twitter, and some interesting facts later on in the video. So their mission is bringing structured products to DeFi. Ribbon uses financial engineering to create structured products that deliver sustainable yield. Ribbon's first product focuses on yield throughout automated option strategies. So what's nice too is keyword first product. Ribbon is or are coming out with many more products other than just automated option strategies. Something to keep in mind and also look for down the road while looking at future price action as well. The protocol also allows developers to create arbitrary structured products through combining various DeFi derivatives. So here we are looking at some of the investors and backers behind Ribbon Finance. We have Dragonfly Capital, Free Company, Nascent, Coinbase Ventures, Scalar Capital, DeFi Alliance, and these two actually stand out to me quite a lot because in my opinion, it's very impressive when an individual within crypto or DeFi invests personally in projects. So looking first, we have Joseph Lubin. And if we look up Joseph Lubin, he is a Canadian entrepreneur and he's the co-founder of Ethereum and the co-founder of Consensus, which is a very, very highly respectable company within the Web3 space. I would definitely check out Consensus and check out Joseph Lubin more. And then if we go back here, we also have Kane Warwick right down here to our right. And if we Google Kane Warwick, we can see that Kane Warwick is the co-founder of Synthetics. So super neat to see two individuals invested in Ribbon, and I do believe there are a lot more big players to start investing once more products get rolled out later in 2022. So here we are on their Twitter at Ribbon Finance. I would definitely make sure to give them a follow if you are interested in this project whatsoever. It's always important to check out their social handles, see how active they are, look at new news, all that kind of good stuff, and they are coming out with new projects as I touched on earlier. Also, if you are pretty active on Twitter, I am always on there talking about new projects, talking about consumer rates, everything that's going on in the crypto space, talking about holder sentiments. As you can see right here on my latest pinned tweet, we're growing a great community, so definitely shoot me a follow on there as I love to engage with you guys and basically talk all things money and what's going on in Web3 and all things crypto. And then looking at price real quick, as we can see here, we're sitting at $3.22 today, up $11.45. Not bad at all considering the market the past week or so. Over here on our right hand side, we can see we have a max supply and total supply of 1 billion tokens. Not that small, not too crazy out of proportion, but definitely things to take into account. Looking at overall price action, we can see starting at around $4.40 was an all-time high, around $5 We did come down to lows, and look at the volume, by the way, too. So let's look at the volume, 170 million on 10/7, and we dropped down to $1.6 million on 12/18. Obviously, a lot of people that were trading or investing in Ribbon were off for the holidays, and we can see there is some great volume picking up. I do think there is some great upside for this project. So some of you guys may be asking, what are some downsides by running, covered call options or even, operating with Robin Finance? And the only downside that I've come across is basically on covered call strategies. If you do basically sell, you are missing out on that upside, potential, right? So let's just say if Ethereum is at like $3,500, the strike is at 5 for that week, and for whatever reason Ethereum jumps, hitting that strike price, you are earning that yield on the different vaults, which is pretty good. As you guys saw, 51.50, I believe, on AVAX is not bad at all. But let's just say, AVAX starts just flying down the road, you will miss out on that upside. So that is something you definitely have to ask yourself. I'm going to be including all this kind of stuff in here. Here's a nice little Investopedia article on short selling, covered calls for anyone who is new to kind of how options work and whatnot. Also some Medium articles on how the algorithmic strike selection works and operates, as it's super important to know how these strikes are being selected. And there's some very exciting stuff to come. This was a very short video. I hope you guys did appreciate the video. As always, please feel free to leave a like and comment below. It helps. I appreciate the support we've been getting, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much and take care.